everybody? Please forgive my appearance right now. I just got off of work. I am hot and dirty and sweaty. I do a lot of craft work living out of my van as a nomad when I'm not working, not out doing any hiking or anything like that. I like to get a little crafty, and I do put things together, and sometimes I do show them off, and I kind of wanted to show them off a little bit today. For a reason that I'm gonna go ahead and put a video together, actually a series of videos together of me showing how I make some of the creations that I do make and sell for extra money when I do travel and stuff like that. So I got a bunch of trees that I do a bunch of wire trees that are on the rocks like that, and I got a few here to show you. This is one of my larger ones that I have. This is about 60 yards worth of wire that I use this one for. It's just this was a new trial and error for me. I was seeing how this kind of tree would look, and that quantity of wire as well. So I got those. I was particularly proud of these ones here, these bonsais, and I actually put a poly coat or acrylic coat over the top to give that rock a shine. That's actually what is that? That's petrified wood is what this one is on. So I got a few style trees kind of like that as well. So I do a lot of those freestanding styles of trees. And this is just a small one that I did. It's about 20 yards worth of wire, and I'm going to show how I do some of this work, this crafting that I do. Particularly the next two pieces I'm going to show you, that's what I'm going to start with. So I have been getting more into doing wall hangers. So I got a couple of the wire wrap tree wall hangers. These ones have a suede wrap border, and these are the ones that I'm actually going to show you how to make. This is going to be my first series of videos, is a tutorial on how to make some of these wall hangers like this. This one I would probably sell about $60 is what I've been thinking, is $60 on something like this, and that that's majority for the material itself, and then a little bit for the time invested in actually creating these. And these actually do take a lot of time to make. They don't just happen overnight for me. I have very little time, and this is why I'm putting this video together. This is just going to be an introductory video to what's coming for the next 3, 4, or 5 nights. I'm going to put out a video every single day of a new step on the creation of one of these wall hanger trees. And I really like these ones. I enjoy making them. I've been doing these crafts for about maybe a little over 2 years, 3 years, somewhere around there. I'm not a success at selling, but I don't really have a platform that I'm selling off of. So that's something I will be creating eventually, as a website, and go on eBay or something like that and do some sales. So this is going to be the particular piece I'm going to do a tutorial on, and it's going to be a series of about 3, 4, or 5 videos. I think what I'm going to do is the first video I'm going to show you how I do the actual border, the wrap itself with the suede. I do have a particular way to do it, which gives it a ridgy and like the brown on top, black on bottom kind of cross weave on that. And then the second one will probably be me doing the root structures, actually attaching the wires, cutting the wires, getting the length, and then attaching the wires for the root structure. And then a following video probably doing the branch work, branching out, and then the final video doing all the the canopy, the curls, and how I do that, plus the hanger. I will add different hangers to my work. Sometimes they're artistic, sometimes they're not. Sometimes like this one, I did kind of a artistic-y little thing, and they do swivel on here, so that one is just it's hard to keep the focus. But yeah, I mean, you can see basically what I'm going for. This is just a simple hanger. It's just a little double, it's like 4 wires that I got twisted to make that little wrap there. So I will be showing how I do each step on that. I've been, suggesting, hinting towards me actually going and doing something like this. I haven't been producing a lot of videos lately, and the reason being is I've been in full swing back to work. I work 9 months out of the year, roughly, doing landscape construction. So it's a dirty, hot, sweaty job. I get out there, I get my hands dirty. I mean, I got dirt and everything everywhere right now. I had to take my shirt off, and I do apologize for my appearance, but it is hot, and I am really ready to take this shower. But I have been, saying I'd be doing a video like this. I have been busy with work. Plus, I did introduce my daughter that was born. She's almost 2 months old now to the day. In a couple days, actually, she'll be about 2 months old, or 2 months old. So I've been busy with that, and I've just been back and forth with work and, trying to fit everything in. I haven't even gone up and done any hiking, and I've been wanting to get out there and do some hiking and some camping. I did go away for a weekend camping out to the grasslands up north in Colorado here. I didn't do any recording pictures or anything while I was out there. I went there to relax. That was for myself, and just to kick back and relax. It was raining the whole weekend anyway, and it was quite busy. It was Memorial Day weekend that I went up there, and the past few years that I've gone, it's been nobody out there. But because of the COVID virus, and campgrounds and a lot of the mountainy areas being shut down, people decided to go elsewhere, and it happened to be one of my hot spots for Memorial Day where nobody is ever out there when I go. So it was kind of crowded when I went this time around. It was disappointing, but it was all rainy and I was stuck inside anyway, and that's what got my mind on to showing you guys the craft work that I do, the wire crafts. I also do dream catchers and like little leather medicine bags, tenderfoot pouches, whatever you want to call them. So I mean, I do a lot of different craft work, and I kind of want to start showing you guys what I do and showing you how I put it together, little tutorials and stuff. And it won't be all talking like this. This is just the introductory video to express to you what to expect in the next nights to come. And I think what I'll do is I'll try to upload them each around 7 or 8 o'clock at night, until I get to the final video and stuff. But I'm really excited to do this. I've been procrastinating it for a long time. I've thought about doing this for a long time, so we're gonna get on it, and just stay tuned. Tomorrow night I will have my first video produced, and it's gonna be the border wrap on the wall decorations that I do with the wire trees. So stay tuned for the next video. We will talk soon.